Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making a vegetarian pizza without yeast. You will need 185 millilitres of water, a selection of vegetables. We have tomatoes, peppers and mushrooms, 250 grams of self-raising flour plus extra for sprinkling, a bag of mozzarella and 4 tablespoons of passata. Let's get started. So first we need to make the dough. We do this by mixing the water and the self-raising flour together. So when it starts to come together, we'll put in some salt and some sugar. Only a little bit. Now that it's a ball of dough, and it's not sticking, what you want to do, get some flour, sprinkle some on the surface, and get around the dough and knead for about 5 minutes. So now it's been kneaded for 5 minutes, what we need to do, we need to flatten it out into a circle so it looks like a pizza. So now it's in a circle, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 230 degrees. So after this, you want to get a pizza spade or some kind of baking tray and move it. It might move shape a little bit, but if it does, just shape it back into a circle. So now that it's on the baking tray, get some passata and spread it out evenly around the pizza base. Now that it's more or less evenly spread out, what you want to do is get your toppings and place them equally around the pizza. So now that the toppings are on, sprinkle all the cheese on. So now that all the cheese is on, what you want to do is put it in the oven. So we've just got it out. Ask your parents for help because it is very, very hot. So leave it to rest for about 5 minutes and then we can cut it. So now that it's ready, we can cut it. A little piece. Very, very nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking this button here. See you next time. Bye!